Hello everyone, and welcome to the video on the magnetic connector series from GTC. Now, as you can see in front of me, I have a number of components. These are the panel mount connectors and the cable end connectors. So just to give you a bit of background on the connectors, they are available in plastic material only. They are IP67 rated as individual components, but when they are mated together, they aren't waterproof. All GTC panel mount connectors are rear potted with epoxy glue, so the application that the connector is attached to is protected against any water damage and does retain its IP rating. They have a panel cutout of 20.75 millimeters, a max current of 5 amps at 30 volts. They have 2 contacts. In terms of coupling, they are available as pre-wired or solder, and also with the accessories it can come with a rubber cap, as you can see here, and the rubber cap just protects against any moisture or water damage. Now, in terms of the cable ends connectors, as you can see the 3 here on the back row, the cables do come in a variety of different lengths, and these range from 0.1 meters to 10 meters, and you can have them as a blunt cut cable or a particular connector of your choice on the end to meet your requirements. You can have them as either straight, as you can see here, or at a 90-degree angle, as you can see here. And in terms of the connection that's made with the magnetic series, as you can see here, just showing you how strong the magnet actually is. It does make a very strong connection, and you do have to pull it apart with some force, like so. So with the magnetic connector series, it is a very good connector for applications where the connection needs to be broken quickly, and if there are applications where damage may be caused with the actual magnetic connector series, it does avoid being damaged because it can make that quick release. So it is a very good connector for applications such as the medical industry or the automotive industry. And if you are in the market for a magnetic connector, we are more than happy to help you, and you can find more information on our website at www.liveelectronicsgroup.com, and you can contact our sales team for more information. Thank you very much for watching this video.